baby. Hi. Do you want to show everyone how you like to play ball? Look what I got. I got your ball. Go get your ball. Oh, careful, honey. I'm sorry. Oh, you're goofy. You're goofy. You're so cute. Okay, sweetheart. Here we go. You ready? Go get it. I always pull it over there for you. Hey, where you going, Turkey Boo? We're doing a video of you. You can't just take off. No, you're not supposed to just take off, Goofy. You're like, why not? Why not? I don't want to be in the video. Yeah. Yeah, my mitts smell like a million other puppies, don't they? They do, Pumpkin. Oh, where's the ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball, precious? It's right here. There it is. You ready? Go get it. Oh, you forgot it again, you goofball. Oh, you're a goofy. Aren't you goofy? Look at you run. Oh, you're a good runner. Good job, Pumpkin.